Hello, today we are going to say regarding game programming in C. So the contents mainly we are going to cover are game programming, why we need games, what is C, few games using C, features included for game development and some other concepts. What is game programming? Computer game programming aims mainly to provide experience for users. It is a special case of multimedia programming. A game designer does not create technology, a game designer creates an experience. So the examples of games are board games, card games, athletic games, children's games, computer games. Various job positions available based on the game programming are Director of Video Game Production, Assistant Professor of Computer Game Studios, Computer Programming Tutor, Senior Software Engineer, Java, Big Data, Front-End Web Developer for Gaming, Toy Entertainment, Game Artist, etc. Why we need games? Good education has characteristics of a game. Games lead to perfection of some skills. Further motivations for game development are escape from dry world, proving oneself, getting exercise, need for acknowledgement and gain experience, etc. So when we come across the revenues from the games industries, we are having an increase starting from 83.6 billion to 44.2 billion to be expected in the near 2018. The salary for game programmer based on the title, or we are having for game programmer starting from 50,000 to $100,000. Likewise, we are having various range of salaries for based on the job title. Computer as game platform. So we can have the computer as a game platform mainly for interactivity, manipulation of information, automated complex systems. We are having different computer games such as skill and action games, example maze and sport games, strategy games such as adventure games, role-playing games, war games, educational games. Strategy games, we have to frame role, simple role, and we have to simple coded, and we should have the excellent gaming experience, and we have to keep the problem solvable. We have to avoid too simple solution strategies. For example, you can see the roles for checkers, how the pieces will be moved, how we have to get the points over there. So we can have various game slides over here, Temple Run, Candy Crush, Subway Surf, Talking Tom, Bubble Shooting. A lot of games are attractive and we are making use of mobiles nowadays for creating games. So we have to link C for game programming in this topic. So we have to see the main features of C over here. First we will see what is C. It is a general purpose functional programming language. It is developed in 1972 by Dennis M. Ritchie at Bell Telephone Laboratories, US. Its Unix OS was totally written in C. It is an example of how C can be useful. It can also be used as a compiler designing for Python and PHP languages. And the Linux kernel is written in C only. C can be interacted with other languages such as C++, Java, C#, Python, etc. In embedded systems also we are making use of C. So we are having few games that are making use of C, such as Quake, STL and OpenGL. So you can see the screenshots of Quake game over here. It's mainly a shooter game. We have to get the scores according to the persons we are shooting over here. STL stands for Simple Direct Media Layer. It is a cross-platform software development library designed to provide a low-level hardware abstraction layer to computer multimedia hardware components. We are having a lot number of games developed using STL. A few examples of Zero AD, Core 6TH, Secret Mario Chronicles. Most of them may aware about this Secret Mario Chronicles. So we are now seeing the screenshot of Zero AD, Core 6 and Secret Mario Chronicles. All are developed using this standard library STL. Next one is OpenGL. OpenGL stands for Open Graphics Library. It is a cross-language, cross-platform application programming interface for rendering 2D and 3D vector graphics. Using OpenGL also we are having a few number of games developed. A best notable game programming using OpenGL are Angry Birds and NFS Most Wanted. You are seeing the screenshots of Angry Birds games and NFS Most Wanted. Mostly this NFS is attracted by all the children. General features needed for game development. We should know the elements of game programming, game design sequence, and what are the simple features in C that is helpful for game development. Elements of game programming. First one is graphics. We should create different types of graphics such as 3D objects, textures, tiles, 2D objects, etc. Sound. Music or sound effects played during the game. It also adds one of the main important elements of game programming, interface. Supporting interfaces for images, sound, etc. Gameplay. How fun game is, game length, etc. Story. It includes any background information for players, etc. Game design sequence. Determining initial requirements. Develop interface. Develop logic for gameplay. Develop logic for keeping score. So this is the actual design sequence we have to perform for game designing. Determining initial requirements. The number of players, rules, actions to be performed has to be given initially. And it should include general description of game. For example, what he is supposed to know before he starts playing, what he says, what he does, his intended reaction to what he says and does. Develop interface. It is a mode of communication between player and the system. Some types of interfaces are game selection screen, game start screen, message screens, menu screens, end of game message, etc. So this one will provide the useful information to the users. Next one is develop logic for gameplay. Game programmer should specify everything such as responses to the user or player's action, responses to system events, rules of the game. If it is a two-player game, then computers moves and actions, etc. Next one is develop logic for keeping score. Subset of the previous step, deciding the scoring policy first. We have to decide the scoring policy first. Score is positive or negative. Player should be rewarded. Accordingly, logic has to be developed. Whatever the game we are playing, each and every player should be rewarded. Otherwise, it is not interested for playing the games. So what are the features in C that is helpful for game development? So we are having graphics header file and graphical oriented functions. We will see some examples also using those files and functions further. So what is the graphics header file useful for game development is graphics.h. We can see a simple graphics program over here. We are including the header file graphics.h over here, and we are including the initgraph function. So this is the initgraph function used for initializing in the graphical mode. Usually the C programming will give the default text screen mode. We have to turn this text screen to graphical mode using this initgraph function, and we have to specify the GD variable, and we have to detect the graphics driver useful for displaying the graphics in C. So for that purpose we are giving GD equal to detect over here. So these two statements or lines is very important here. So the next line is line 0, 0, 640, 480. So this line will create a simple line starting from the coordinates 0, 0 means it will denote the left top position, 640, 480 is the maximum left bottom position. So we are having a lot of graphical oriented functions or inbuilt functions in C. We are having the list over here. We can create those pictures using these functions. If we want to create text also, that is possible using graphical functions. So for creating text we are having out text and out text xy. Similarly, we can able to set the colors also over here using set color, set background color, etc. We can able to select the text height as well as text width also using these text height and text width functions. So we will see some examples. First one, drawing the shapes, moving a car, smiling face and captcha generator using C. So for drawing the shapes, here we are including rectangle, circle, bar, ellipse, out text xy, my first C graphics program, etc. So what is the output of this screen is, so we are having the rectangle, circle, filled rectangle, line, ellipse, etc. So moving a car. So for moving a car, we are creating this particular program. So for the car creation, we are having the two rectangular functions and two circle functions. By making use of this delay function, we are making this car to be moved. So this is the actual screen over here. So for getting the smiling face, we are having this program. So this is a smiling face output. Likewise, the captcha generator, we can create the captcha also using C programming. Next one is bouncing falls. We can able to create the screen server like the balls that is bouncing when it reaches the screen end. Likewise also we can create different kinds of functionalities using C programming. So after this, game programming using C is over. Students, you can practice different kinds of functionalities using the above built-in functions using C, and try to do some sorts of animations using delay functions. Please try to carry out further for your studies. Thank you.